I know you watched the thumbnail. This is going to be interesting. You can also use the same method what I used to get my first client inside freelancing. So, hey guys, my name is Virender Chaudhary and I'm the founder and CEO of Trader School, which is hashtag one business school for freelancing, where we help freelancers to become the top 1%. Let's get into the topic. I remember evening 5 or 6 o'clock, I want to have pani puri. Yeah, everybody knows pani puri, right? So I went out on my bike and I was eating pani puri. Beside that only, there is a big hospital opening, which is Gayatri Hospitals. They are doing hangama. Okay. They are like so busy, so damn good, beautifully designed hospital, and they're about to launch in next 2 days or one day if I'm not wrong. Okay. So I thought if they are launching this big inside our area, so they might look for promotions or they might look for marketing services. So what I did the very next day, I love cold walking, not cold calling. I'll directly knock the doors of the customers. If you are okay with that, if you love interacting directly, you can simply walk because you can find a lot of clients nearby you only, like hospitals, dental clinics, gyms, and much more. Okay. So next day I went to Gayatri Hospitals, or the same day, if I'm not wrong. This happened in 8 years back. So I went and meet one of the doctors, and I said, "Hi, I am from Fine Busy Digital Marketing Agency. So I live in this area only, by the way. So by any chance, are you looking for any marketing services?" Is what I asked them. They said like, "No, I don't want any marketing services, ma, because we are digital marketing. In 2017, it's just get started. Okay, digital marketing is getting boomed. Okay, just started appearing right in front of the people." So they say like, "No, ma, we are not looking at this moment. But if I have any, I will get back to you." I was like, "Oh my god." So I asked him one question instead of saying, "Okay, sir, thank you, all the best." So I asked him one question. "You invested a lot in this hospital, and I'm sure that you are expecting some good number of patients footfall every day. How are you planning to get patients within this area?" He said like, "So we are looking for somebody who can do traditional marketing for us." I said like, "Sir, we are digital plus traditional marketing agency. I do not have any knowledge about traditional marketing, but I don't want to lose the client." Okay. So I said like, we do both." "Oh, that's nice." He asked, "What do you do?" "So do you need flyers, pamphlets to be distributed in this area?" "I can do that." He said like, "Exactly, this is what I'm looking for." "And how much do you charge?" "Sir, you pay the printing price and we will design the pamphlets. Don't worry. You pay the printing price and how many you require, just let me know." So we charge only 2,500 rupees as you're newly started. Once you're getting good results from this, you can increase or pay to 5,000 rupees. He said like, "Great. So what projects you have done?" I've showed him a couple of few projects, which I really don't have. Okay. I just talked with them. If he inquired it, then I would have lost the client. See, that's the first thing. I don't recommend anybody to do like that because that's my starting stage and I don't know. I don't want to lose the client. That's the only motive I have. But he did not inquire. He said like, "Okay, let's do it." So here is my check. Trust me, 2,500 rupees. I've got the first check. And I recently uploaded that on my Instagram story stating my first client, Gayatri Hospital. So the moral of the story is very simple. If you require a client, don't not always look for fancy things like ads or organic content creation. Those two are absolutely great, but give it a try. You should have your own way to get the client, which is traditional way. Okay, go out, do one thing, take your bike or a car, whatever you have. Okay, just go for a 5 minute or a 5 kilometer drive every day. Okay, observe everywhere, thinking what is new, newly opened or newly started. Note down at least five every day. You identify five every day, come to the home and go do a deep research on these five, whether they are online or not, whether they are performing good with content marketing or performance marketing or not? Whether do they have website or not? If they invested traditionally that much by hoardings, okay, by boards, etc., digital is important, right? If you can educate them the importance of digital marketing, the importance of digital scaling, because your audience are present right in Instagram or YouTube, LinkedIn, so I can help you grow your business. Imagine, yeah, daily 5 you can note down. You go only 20 days in a month, still you are noting down 100 and reaching out 100 people. If you can expect one conversion out of it, you can still get a client. You getting my point? So that's the most important thing which I want you to focus on. And if you like this video, like it and share your thoughts on the comment box. It will really help. And also let me know what videos do you want me to create. Before you leave, subscribe and turn on the bell notification. See you with the next video.